Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to turn off the reply features or reply tools on your Instagram stories so that you can limit or prevent someone replying your story that you have been posted. The first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and right after that you just need to visit your profile and go click these three straight lines on the top right corner, and right after that you just need to go click settings. The next thing you need to do is just go scrolling down until you got the privacy right here. So you just need to go click it, and now you just need to find the story sections, which is this part, and then you just need to click them. And now you just need to take a look on this second box, which is reply, and then you just need to go click off here. So don't click your followers, or don't click followers that you follow, you just need to go click off. And whenever you click off here, now no one gonna able to reply the story of your account that you just post. So that is the way how to turn off this reply on your Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.